it's time for dinner. Hashtag stay in, cook out. We're at Egghead Boulevard in my backyard, and we're gonna be doing some chicken and waffles for supper. So what I'm doing is I have some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I always like chicken thighs because they have better flavor, more juicy because more fat, right? We're gonna pair that up with the Big Green Egg Nashville Hot. That'll be our pre-seasoning, our rub, if you want to say. And we're gonna finish it off with the zesty honey mustard. And I got some maple syrup here. You can't have waffles without maple syrup, right? Wednesday was National Waffle Day this week, so I made some extras, some Belgian waffles. These are really true yeast-risen Belgian waffles. I like these ones here where you don't fill the waffle iron as much, and you get better, a little bit more appeal for garnishing. And so we're gonna use those. We're gonna heat them up on the egg. I got my extra large here, and with my second rack on there. We'll do the chicken on the bottom. We'll heat up the waffles on the second rack. Okay, let's take our Big Green Egg Nashville Hot, and we're gonna thoroughly coat. This has got some kick to it. Nice though that it's sweet and heat though, but you don't need a lot. Okay, so just give it a good coating, both sides. Flip it over. I always tell people you're gonna eat both sides. Make sure you season both sides. It only makes sense, right? So a good coating on there. We got our egg preheated just past 400 degrees. We're gonna cook these direct so we get some good char on them. And obviously flipping them halfway to make sure they're nice and charred on both sides. We don't have the convector in there. And we'll be doing our waffles, heating them up on the second rack once I put that back on. All right, we'll see you in a bit. All right, time to flip these babies over. Look at that. Look at that caramelization of that sugar in the Nashville Hot. Beautiful. Awesome. Great. Other side. All right, we're gonna get that second rack on so I can get my waffles going above my chicken. We just need to heat them up. Again, they're already made, obviously, but we're just gonna heat them up, get a little smoke on them, complement the dish. All right, chicken is done. We already took the waffles off. And all the chicken off. Look at how nice and charred that is. That's gonna have great flavor. Good contrast to the sugar of the maple syrup, the texture of the waffles with that crispy chicken on there. Oh yeah, baby. It's gonna be so good. This is how we're gonna do it. Again, we have our zesty mustard and honey barbecue sauce from Big Green Egg. I got a little squeeze bottle, make it easier. We've did the chicken with the Nashville Hot, as mentioned. And we have our maple syrup. And we could even break it up a little bit like this. Let's get a couple pieces of chicken. Like so. And what I want to do before I put more waffle on top is get some of this zesty mustard and honey from Big Green Egg. And let's get some of these decorative pieces, like I like this actually. Look at that. Let's put it like that. There we go. We'll save that piece for another portion. I'll put a little bit of honey mustard on top of there as well. And then some parsley. Watch just how much it pops more with the parsley, makes it look more savory. And then the syrup. And this is your contrast with the heat, right? So you need to have lots of syrup on there. All right. And voila, chicken and waffles a la Big Green Egg. Hashtag stay in, cook out. Big Green Egg, baby.